In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send large files through Outlook. If you've ever hit an attachment limit or watched a huge file crawl through an upload, this will save you time and headaches. We'll cover two easy approaches: using your cloud storage and using Outlook's built-in option to upload to OneDrive and share a link. Both keep your email lightweight while giving recipients quick access. First, the cloud storage route. Open your preferred cloud service, like OneDrive or Dropbox, and upload your large file or entire folder. Wait for the upload to complete so the link you share actually points to the finished file. Then right-click the item and select Share or Copy Link. Most services let you choose who can access it. If you're emailing a broad group, anyone with the link can view is simple, while specific people is best for tighter control. Now switch to Outlook, compose your message, and paste the link into the body. Outlook will automatically convert it to a clean, shareable link. Add a quick note describing what the file is and whether it's view-only or requires edits, so recipients know what to expect. Before you send, double-check permissions so no one gets blocked by access settings. Next, Outlook's built-in feature. Open a new mail and go to the Insert tab. When you attach a large file, Outlook often prompts you to either upload to OneDrive and share a link or attach as copy. Choose the OneDrive option. This moves the file to your OneDrive and adds a link to the email instead of embedding the entire file, which helps you bypass size limits and keeps your message deliverable. After it's linked, adjust the sharing permissions to match your needs: anyone with the link, or only specific people. If you're just sharing for review, set it to view only to prevent edits. You can usually access these options from the attachment or link controls right inside the Compose window. That's it. Thanks for watching.